Are you looking for an app to create professional videos effortlessly with features like text to video, customizable AI avatars, and multi-language support? HeyGen AI makes video creation quick and easy. Let's explore how to use it step by step. Visit the HeyGen AI website or download the mobile app from your app store. To use it on mobile, download the app because the website version requires a desktop. Once the app is installed, create an account by signing up with your email address or through social media accounts. Skip the app guide and allow the necessary permission. To get started, click on the plus icon. You will see two options, avatar video and video translation. Let's begin with avatar video. Create avatar video. Choose an avatar from hundreds of available options from here. Select the avatar's location or position from the selected avatar. Write your script in the text box. The avatar will say exactly what you type. If you want the avatar to speak in your voice, record the script with your voice and the avatar will perfectly lip sync it. Alternatively, you can upload an audio file if you already have one or wish to use someone else's voice. Select the video aspect ratio. Note that using captions and removing the watermark requires a premium plan. Premium plans start at $35 per month or $347 per year. Choose one based on your budget. Once the video is ready, click next. Select the aspect ratio and then click create video. Your AI generated video will appear in the app. Now, let me tell you how you can use video translation. Click the plus icon, then select video translation. Upload a video or record a new one. Ensure the video has minimal noise, features only one person, and is not blurry. Allow access to your gallery to select a video. Use the auto detect feature to identify the original language or select it manually. Type in the target language for translation. Click submit and your translation video will be ready in seconds. You can generate a video using AI avatar's photos. Add a prompt in the script, select an avatar and position, and click on create.
To use HeyGen AI's clone feature, you need to have premium of HeyGen AI. Without premium, you can't use it. Just click on plus icon and here you can see video avatar banner. Just click on it and then upload a video that you want to clone with AI avatars. Read their guidelines while selecting video and also read recording tips. Then select a video and upload. Video length should be 30 seconds to 5 minutes. Remember, you can't use others' video to clone. Due to privacy, ultimately you will need to prove that this is you while recording a video.
Once the video is created, you can download it by clicking on the download icon. This is how you can effectively use HeyGen AI's features to create professional customized video for any purpose.